So today, I have a morning rules. Guys, I have a morning rules. I will going to do in the morning. Guys, I will do in the morning. Guys, I will going. I am in the. Now is morning. Guys, my morning time routine. This is my morning time routine, guys. Guys, first one, I'm going to read the story. One day, sailed Bagwe to the sea for a voyage with his mates. He and his mates sailed for long. After sailing for long, they got tired. They decided to set ashore on an island and rest for some time. Soon they saw an island and thought to get down on it. They sailed on the shore of the island and get down from the boat. But in real, it was not an island. Guys, I'm eating cereals. Guys, this is our house. Guys, I am in the house. Guys, after eating cereals, I'm going to my room. Guys. Guys, this is our cars, guys. I'm going to play my cars, guys. Guys, this is our cars, guys. Guys, don't forget like and share and subscribe. Please subscribe on my video and more videos, guys. Bye, guys.